Echo Dot 5 versus Echo 4. Which one is right for you? Want a truly smart home, but not sure which Echo to choose? Today, I'll show you the real difference between the 5th Gen Echo Dot and the 4th Gen Echo. One is compact and smart, the other powerful and full of surprises. Let's find out which one is perfect for you. Let's start with the bestseller, Echo Dot 5. Sleek design, improved sound, temperature sensor, tap controls. It's small but does it all. Ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, and medium-sized rooms. And of course, Alexa is always ready to help. Now let's step things up. Echo 4 has a richer, more powerful sound. Perfect for living rooms and larger spaces. Plus, it comes with a built-in Zigbee hub, so you can control compatible smart devices without needing extra gear. It's the best choice if you want to build a complete smart home ecosystem. Want to get started with Alexa? Go with the Echo Dot 5. Want the ultimate smart home experience? Choose Echo 4. Direct Amazon links are in the description. Pick your Echo and transform your home with just your voice.